Team Philly, this is David Hardy Jr., your Communications and Solutions Specialist here at Philadelphia International Airport. From the Office of Civil Rights and Liberties, Ombudsman, and Traveler Engagement. From starting July 23rd to September 3rd, you will have a significant opportunity to help make change. That's when you'll be allowed to you'll be taking again, as we do every year, the Federal Employee Viewpoint Survey, which we call FEVS. FEV is a key tool for us here at TSA to gauge how we are doing. And it'll be your opportunity to let your message be heard. Just as you would do in any major election, whether it's presidential or local mayoral elections, the FEVS are our way of gauging how we do our work here at Philadelphia. And your voice is key. We need you to get the message out loud and clear of how we're doing. Last year, we only had 262 officers take the federal survey. This time we need more. Out of 1,000 employees, we should get more than half to send the message loud and clear. Years ago, you made the message loud and clear about the promotion program. You did that because of your voice on the FEVS. We need you from July 23rd to September 3rd, help make the message loud and clear. We need your support. We need you to get out there and take your survey. Managers will be allowing you to take the survey. As in the past, we know it's been difficult to get the survey done because you didn't have the time. This time, during this period that we're in during a pandemic, we're hoping that you'll take the opportunity that the managers will allow you to go down and take the survey. It's only about 20 minutes to complete, and we're going to hopefully have someone in the room as well to assist you to make sure that you can get the survey done. Your message is so important and it's so advantageous to get this thing done. If you want change, whether you believe the change is going to come or not, it's going to be you. Your key is going to be key and up to you to making sure that we get that change done. So I'm looking for you, July 23rd to September 3rd, to help get that message out. Only you can make the difference.